Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a demo of how to install this kids braided ponytail. A lot of people have been asking for the demonstration, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install the ponytail. I went ahead to cornrow the hair on the mannequin and I have done like a 2 pony hairstyle, one to the left and one to the right. So we're going to install the one on the right first, but before you install, you want to ensure that you pack the hair into a bun, just like I am doing. And then when the bun is secure, you can tuck the hair just beneath the bun. I will be using 2 braided pony for 1 bun because the hair is actually full. But if your girl's hair is not as full as the hair on this mannequin, 1 braided ponytail should be enough for 1 bun. I am done with the bun now, and I'm going to go ahead to show you how to install the braided ponytail on the bun. We're finally done with installing the braided ponytail, and I'm just putting the bow clips on the ponytail. This looks so pretty. Just imagine if this was an actual girl. Remember, you can be versatile with this hairstyle. You don't have to do 2 ponytails like I have done, like one to the left and one to the right. Your own hairstyle can just be 1 cornrow ponytail all the way to the center of the hair. Also, you don't have to do cornrows just like I have done. If you don't know how to cornrow your girl's hair, you can just do it packing the hair and laying the hair with gel before installing the ponytail. I hope this video has been helpful, especially to those who have requested for me to do this demonstration. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.